Iris, your class librarian. If you need help identifying a real-world political leader for your assignment, the MJC Library has a database for you. It's called Gale in Context Biography, and I'm going to show you how it works for this assignment. First, from the library's website, select Articles and Databases. Scroll down the screen until you find Databases by Subject. Click on the down arrow and select Biography. You'll see our 3 databases that are filled with information about people. Click on Gale in Context Biography. If you're away from campus or on Wi-Fi, you'll need to log in just like you do for Canvas or your student email. Once you're in the database, click on Browse People. On the screen, in the Topics bar, click on the down arrow to see the different topics. There are several here that would be good for your assignment. For example, American presidents, American vice presidents, contemporary world leaders, and politicians and dignitaries. Let's choose politicians and dignitaries. Now you see a long list of names. Why don't you click on some to see who interests you? For this example, let's choose Ban Ki-moon. When I click on his name, I have information to help me learn all about him. After reading the overview, be sure to go back to his page and find the On This Page area. You'll see a lot of different types of information that this database has pulled together for you so that you can learn about this real-world leader. That's it. Be sure to ask me if you have any questions.